Hi, I'm Allie. Have you been thinking about subscribing to the Potomac Beads Kit Edition? You should. I'm going to show you what to expect if you subscribe to get new kits in the mail every month. When you open up your subscription kit box each month, you will have 2 to 3 kits that will generally build on one another or be in the same theme. This one was the Valentine's theme, and in this box, the 3 patterns and tutorials that you got were the Token of My Affection, Rivoli charm bracelet, cascading heart earrings, and then this beautiful eyelet oval bezeled ring. Each kit box has in it the entire kit, including the thread and the needles that are needed, the patterns listed, and then you're always going to have some extra materials left over in case you want to make a matching pair of earrings or an actual little pendant to go along with it. So you will learn different skills and different steps, like how to do bezels, how to create these tiny little heart forms, attaching things to a chain. The chain was included as well, and creating different techniques and learning different skills, like creating this nice oval bezel and making a ring band, which you can then expand that skill set, learning from the eyelet oval ring to make it into a pendant if you're not a ring wearer, or even into a series of bracelets and picking up some other materials. Again, each kit is going to have all the supplies that you need to make the different samples and the different ideas individually weighed out and labeled items to create from your box. Previous month, just to give you an idea of some of the variation, is going to be our box from January, just to give you a little showing. And this one here created a nice herringbone pattern. So we have 2 kits, but actually 3 projects in here. The first project that you are going to have the opportunity to make is this 3-drop twisted herringbone necklace. So you're learning the technique of creating a herringbone rope, making it spin with that 3-drop, and learning how to put crystals on it as well. Anna then did a video to put on this beautiful Rivoli pendant using also the herringbone stitch and creating a nice bezel around the crystal. You can hang it on your actual rope or keep it independently. And then our last project in that month's box was the Hugs and Kisses bracelet, featuring some lovely Potomac crystal pearls, as well as Potomac crystals and some seed beads. You always have extras. I've loved seeing what everybody makes with the box and all of the extra supplies on hand to create 3 really to 4 or 5 projects, but you're going to have at least 3 set projects in each of your kits that you can create using all of these different materials with the Rivolis, as well as learning the different stitches, techniques used to create and to bead. Again, each month is different, and it's going to arrive to you after the 7th of each month. You get surprised when you open your kit subscription and see the different skill sets, colorways, and examples of projects that you're going to make that month. Thanks so much for letting me walk you through a kit subscription here at Potomac Beads. Remember, if you would like to just subscribe, go ahead and look for links below to get your surprise every month. You will not be disappointed with your kit subscription with Potomac Beads. As always, make sure to create and to share your designs as well with our amazing beading community of Potomac Beaders in our Facebook group, our YouTube group, and follow us on Instagram and show off the amazing things that you make. As always, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more inspirational designs from us here at Potomac Beads, arriving in your kit box.